Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to have two pie charts in one figure. Here, we are having the sizes, sections, and colors. But the thing that starts changing here is how we are plotting the figure. So we need to have subplots. In order to have subplots, we are having one row and two columns. Column 1 for the pie chart 1 and column 2 for the pie chart 2. Okay, so we see it like a matrix, let's say. One row, because we are having only one row here, and column 1 and column 2. Okay, so here we are having the first row, so we are having one row here and we are having two columns, so one row and two columns, and this is the figure size. We're going to decide about these in this line. Then we are talking about the first pie chart, the pie chart that is in the column 1, which is the index 0, and then we are going to talk about the second pie chart which has the index 1. Okay, 0 and 1 are the indexing. Column 1 with index 0, column 2 with index 1. Okay. Here we are using the PIE function. We are having the size, label, color, and we are having the text on the sections. You see 15%, 30%. We are having the first pie chart has been rotated 90 degrees. Here we decide about the color edge here. We are having the line width, so the width of the edge, and that's it about the first pie chart, the pie chart that is in the first column with index 0, and we are putting the title of this one to be pie chart 1. Then we are going to plot the second pie chart, but the second pie chart we want to have exploding. So this separation is called exploding of a slice. In order to have that, we are having the explode. Then we are this time using the index 1 for the second pie chart. We are having the size, label, color, the text that is going to be printed here, like 20%, the proportion, the portions that are printed on the sections. We are having the explode. So this is the explode that we are assigning to the explode keyword. We are having the edge color to be black and the line width to be 1.5. Then we are having the pie chart 2 title, which is here expanded. And simply in the end, we are going to call the show function to simply print us and display us the figure. So this is how actually we can have two pie charts. So in order to review, we are having one row and two columns. Okay, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 is shown with the index 0, column 2 is shown with index 1. And based on that, we are putting two pie charts in one figure. Thank you for watching.